If you're looking for the absolute best view of Cebu City at night, you found the right place. Welcome to Tops, one of the most iconic spots in the Philippines for skyline views and late night eats. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get here, what to expect, and why it's a must visit for your Cebu itinerary.
So I hope you can hear me, but you got live music here, lots of different restaurants. I'll give you a look around. And now let me show you the city lights. It looks fantastic. So if you want to go further up, you got to pay 50 pesos for the viewing deck. Now let's see what we can see up here. Oh wow, look at that. Views get a lot nicer the further you go up. Look at that. Let's head up to the Sky 360 or whatever it's called. Check these out. What should we get? The ube cheese hello looks appealing. Oh yeah. I really want you guys to appreciate this. Can you see the steam coming out of it because it's so cold? Do you know what? I always used to find it really weird that desserts used to have cheese in the Philippines, but actually it's quite nice. Okay, let's give this a taste test now. Oh shit. Nice. It's got shaved ice cream, ube, and like cornflakes on there, but it's nice. Not too sweet either, so yeah. You can taste the cheese now as well. That's what I mean, it's really strange, it really complements it. But yeah guys, I'm gonna tuck in now. See ya. Just heading back down now. Better watch my step. So quite a few places to have a eat or a drink. So guys, I apologize it's a bit dark, but that's my video at Tops done. Just so you know, if you want to visit, the tickets are 200 pesos each, and that includes a shuttle bus. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next adventure here in the Philippines.